Meaning of ill-humoured.
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 Ill-humoured. The term ill-humoured refers to a person who is in a bad or foul mood, and is often characterized by irritability, impatience, and a generally negative attitude. Being ill-humoured can lead to social isolation, strained relationships, and difficulty in communication with others. It can also have adverse effects on one's physical health, such as high blood pressure and digestive problems. Therefore, it is important to recognize and address negative emotions that may contribute to ill humor before they become chronic and habitual. Taking steps towards improving one's mental health and well-being can lead to a more fulfilling and satisfying life.